Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Beetle clutch cable. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a 13mm wrench and a jack. Safely lift your Beetle and support it with jack stands. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process, allowing you to focus on the mechanical steps ahead without interruption. Next, we'll remove the old clutch cable. Begin by loosening the adjustment nut at the pedal cluster inside the car. Then, move to the transmission and detach the cable end from the clutch operating arm. Once both ends are free, gently pull the cable through the guide tube and out of the car. This step requires a bit of maneuvering, but patience will make it easier to extract the old, worn cable. Now, let's install the new clutch cable. Carefully feed the new cable through the guide tube from the front of the car towards the transmission. Once routed, connect the cable end to the clutch operating arm on the transmission. Back inside, attach the other end to the clutch pedal assembly. Ensure the cable moves freely and isn't kinked, setting the stage for proper adjustment. Finally, it's time to adjust the new clutch cable. Adjust the cable at the pedal cluster until you achieve about 1/2 to 1 inch of free play at the top of the pedal's travel. Test the clutch by starting the car and shifting through all gears to ensure smooth engagement and disengagement. Make any fine adjustments as needed. For other great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below. Your Beetle's clutch should now feel responsive and reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.